Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Wednesday, January 2nd, 2013. Happy New Year to everybody. We had the fiscal cliff was averted. We did not go over the cliff, but of course we all have higher taxes to pay. Regardless of my political opinion, we were very cautious with today's trading. We had a nice run up overnight from the new year until this morning. You can see how our Globex range was about 24 points, and as a result we were expecting the market to continue higher. With the expectation of the market continuing higher, we had a very narrow opening range. This was a fake out breakout. You can kind of see this little blue ellipse I drew. As soon as this significant level is broken, we should not be trying for any further upside movement, and that's exactly what happened. We had a retracement back to a shark line. As price action continued to work its way further to the downside, our tick chart remained above the zero line. We did not take any short positions. Even though we had a couple hook patterns setting up to the downside, they did not materialize. We had no trades this morning. Between 11:30 and 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, we had a no trade zone, and shortly after that, we had a nice little inverted head and shoulders pattern that initiated right here at about 3 o'clock, a trade opportunity right there at about 312, 1448.75, an opportunity to get long. Very challenging opportunity to try to go long in the middle of the shark band. But we knew we had good news this morning, sell off after the news, 10 o'clock, and we were just waiting for an opportunity to get long, 1448.75, opportunities to get long. Our target, first target, is right here at around 1450.50. Second target, 1452.5. I scaled out one of them at 1452. And then if you had a runner, you had an opportunity to make anywhere between 23 and 43 ticks just on this one trade. When we were at their 1452.50, I said this in the Shark Den. I said there's no overhead resistance. Our first target beyond 1452.50 was 1455, and after that 1456.50. So there's many opportunities if you had a trailing stop working your way up, all the way up here to 1457.50. Now, these trading in the last couple of days has not been easy based on the news that comes out of Washington. It's up 1 minute, it's down the next minute. We never really know except to rely on our indicators. This is a great situation where trade what you see, not what you believe. So what we want to do is we want to stick with the opportunities that our indicators are giving us, not what we feel or not what we're hearing in the news media. If you're trying to trade based on what you hear on the news media, you would have gotten crushed several times here to the downside. And if you do not trade in your opening range, that's fine. You could have waited until a breakout of the opening range. And then once you break out of this opening range, there's no resistance up and through here. So it's just these shark bands operate like magnets, and price action pulled right up to it before it sold off for the day. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of your Trader Shark trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you. Have a great evening, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.